severely underestimate how much feeling safe has to do with a woman's ability to flourish. Flourish physically, mentally, emotionally, creatively. If a woman is stuck in survival mode, her energy becomes focused on managing perceived threats, whether those threats are financial, an unpredictable home, chronic stress, conflict, emotional neglect, discrimination, or just not feeling like you can let your guard down, very little energy is left to create or enjoy being alive. It also threatens our closest relationships because survival mode narrows down your world. It becomes incredibly difficult to imagine, to explore, to plan, to play, to learn, or even pay attention to the needs of the other people around her. And I don't think we fully understand what this does to a woman over time. A woman needs to feel safe to inhabit her life instead of just surviving it. Survival mode stifles the very energies needed for making a beautiful life. Now, imagine a chef who loves creating beautiful gourmet meals. Imagine that chef spending years making nothing but cereal or baking the same loaf of bread every single day. Eventually, something begins to fade in that chef because the part of the chef that comes alive through creating is no longer being used. That is what it feels like when a woman's creativity, her play, her curiosity, her beauty, her rest, all of those have to be put on the back burner because survival has to come first. Over time, that really affects a woman's quality of life. The question then becomes, how do you get out of survival mode? I think the first step to getting out of it is realizing that you are in survival mode because you cannot change a pattern that you don't even realize you are living in. So if you've spent your life and many years living in survival mode, it can start to feel like your personality. Like this is just who you are. Like it's normal to be hyper vigilant, always preparing for the next problem, always waiting for the other shoe to drop. But that's not who you are because it's just a pattern. And your patterns will remain invisible until you recognize them. So, becoming aware can help you realize how survival mode has shaped your life so far. This can look like noticing how easily you get startled when things happen around you, how you're always bracing up like something bad is about to happen, how you have a hard time resting because you won't let your guard down. Just noticing when these things happen can help you practice small moments of safety where you allow yourself to rest for a while without immediately jumping into the next task. Doing a small creative thing is also another way to feel safe. Doing a small creative thing because it feels good, not because you have to do it, right? By doing those things, you can start to become safe enough to create and to fully participate in your life.